Hi, welcome to, it's just near my hometown is this. This is the oldest bit of ground I've got round here. Found Elizabeth first hammered on here, so I've got a couple of hours, well I've got an hour. I'll just have a little look. I found a loom weight, but this will be off weaving wool, not flax. It was big wool country around here. Looks to be a silver plated button. Yeah. Had a few bits of silver plated stuff off here. I'm getting a load of junk, of course a few tin cans, but there's another loom weight. Maybe even a plumb bob. Sun's gone down now, well it's going down, you can see my shadow. It's nice and cool. God, it was roasting today. Well, I think that's George 3, 1806, with a hole in it. It was much deeper than the rest of the stuff that I've been finding. Ah, George 6, 1937, ship halfpenny. Just got a young head Vicky halfpenny, 1873 or 8. Can't make my mind up. Yeah, good condition, nice coin. That's part of a very, very thick buckle. I think I've found another piece of this. I'll see if I can put them together when we get back. Oh, stood off a 1920s, 30s steam tractor. Yes. Well, it looks daylight, but it isn't. It's getting really dark now. This camera's excellent in low light. Just got a buckle on the way back. Nice one. It's even got its bronze pin. Beauty. Well, I've got a spare part stuff, but most of it is junk. Interesting junk, mind you. Odd bits of lead. They've all been used for something, but no idea what. Bits of copper. That's off a tent pole, I think. Copper. No idea what you are. You are a bit of pipe. You are a bit of pipe. You are buttons. Plenty of buttons. Now. Okay. Stanley Stanley Fat Max. It's some sort of tool, I think. Maybe the good guys know. Here's an old electrical plug lock. Not sure if it's the bottom of a light bulb or what. I think it's a plug because these don't move. That is an antique. A bit of lead, shaped lead. Again, I don't know what you're for, so come on you brain boxes. Now I've got a part of a buckle here, an old buckle, very thick look. Nice bronzy, and I got this bit before I found that bit, and I think it's off the same thing. They were about 100 yards apart. Now look at that, like a nice buckle. This is Georgian, of course, and it's got a bronze pin. Fabulous. Most of them have got iron, which have rotted away, but yes, you could be used straight away. You're in perfect nick. And it goes that way, does the pin, not the other way, see, because there's a little indentation there for it, look, right, for it to sit in. Yes, I like me buckles. I haven't had one for a while. Nice. Lead, these are loom weights, probably just a local little loom farmer's wife's loom. Very heavy lead. Now, these are off 1920s, 30s tractor, and the studs, they went on the iron wheels, and you heated these up and you stuck them on the peg, and you cooled them with water and they stuck to the wheel, but they didn't stick well enough. Hit a rock and they'd come off. Studs off a tractor, yes. Like that battle site that I went to look at, and I found dozens and dozens and dozens of them. They were made of iron though. 1940s ship halfpenny. What date was this? Is it a 3? Yes, 1873, and it's in not bad nick, look, at all. Probably the best find. One decent coin. Nice, nice. And I do think this is an 1806 George 3 halfpenny. I've seen this before, because it's got a serrated edge around there, look. When they were worn and stuff, they just used them as washers or something. I've seen a lot like that with a hole in. I call them religious. They're very holy. So there you are. Nothing spectacular, but it was nice to get out, and I'd got to hammer Elizabeth out of this field, so I'm going to go back and have another look. It just wasn't well frequented. It should have been on the other side of the lane, but the grass is still too long. Anyway, look, get out there, it's out there, go get it. And until I see you, you take care. Bye.